Edge AI concept. Applications in daily life in devices like refrigerators, LED bulbs, surveillance cameras, micro ovens, smart cars, scooters. Edge AI in smart appliances drive. Gudipati Srinivasa Rao. Unit 1 Topic 3.1. Concept of Edge AI. Edge AI refers to the deployment of artificial intelligence algorithms directly on edge devices, that is, devices that are physically close to the data source, rather than relying entirely on centralized cloud servers. In traditional AI systems, data collected by devices is sent to the cloud for processing. In Edge AI, data is processed locally on the device itself using embedded processors, microcontrollers, or AI chips. Key idea: think locally, act instantly. How Edge AI works: sensors collect real-time data, image, sound, temperature, motion, etc. AI models, ML, DL, are embedded in the device. Data is processed locally without sending it to the cloud. The device makes instant decisions or predictions. Core components of Edge AI: sensors, camera, microphone, temperature, motion, edge processors, CPU, GPU, NPU, TPU. Embedded AI models, local memory and storage, limited or optional cloud connectivity too. Why Edge AI is important: cloud AI latency high, Edge AI latency very low, cloud AI internet dependency mandatory, Edge AI internet dependency minimal, none, cloud AI data privacy risky, Edge AI data privacy high, cloud AI real-time response limited, Edge AI real-time response excellent, cloud AI bandwidth usage high, Edge AI bandwidth low. Advantages of Edge AI: low latency, instant decision making, improved privacy, data stays on device, reduced bandwidth cost, works offline, energy efficient. 3. Applications of Edge AI in daily life. Edge AI in smart refrigerators functions. Food item recognition using internal cameras, expiry date prediction, temperature optimization, energy consumption management. Edge AI role: image recognition runs inside the fridge, no need to upload food images to the cloud, alerts generated instantly, benefits: prevents food wastage, saves electricity, enhances user convenience. Edge AI in smart LED bulbs functions: motion detection, automatic brightness adjustment, time-based lighting control, occupancy-based lighting. Edge AI role: motion and light data processed locally, immediate on/off response, benefits: energy efficiency, longer bulb life, no internet required. Edge AI in surveillance cameras functions: face recognition, object detection, intrusion detection, unusual behavior analysis. Edge AI role: video processed on the camera itself, only alerts or metadata sent to cloud, benefits: real-time alerts, privacy protection, reduced network load. Edge AI in microwave ovens functions: automatic cooking time adjustment, food type recognition, moisture and temperature sensing. Edge AI role: sensor data analyzed locally, cooking parameters adjusted instantly, benefits: better cooking quality, energy efficiency, user-friendly operation. Edge AI in smart cars and scooters functions: collision avoidance, lane detection, adaptive cruise control, battery health monitoring, rider behavior analysis. Scooters. Edge AI role: decisions made in milliseconds, no cloud delay for safety actions, benefits: enhanced safety, autonomous decision making, real-time responsiveness. 4. Edge AI in smart appliances. Examples of smart appliances: washing machines, air conditioners, dishwashers, smart fans, vacuum cleaners. Common Edge AI capabilities: load detection, pattern recognition, predictive maintenance, energy optimization, personalized user behavior learning. Why Edge AI is preferred: continuous operation without internet, faster response to user actions, secure handling of personal data. 5. Edge AI vs Cloud AI. Quick comparison. Feature: Edge AI Cloud AI processing, location, device, remote server, speed very high, moderate, privacy high, medium, connectivity optional, mandatory, cost low, recurring high, recurring. 6. Future scope of Edge AI: smart cities, healthcare, wearables, industrial automation, smart agriculture, defense and surveillance. 7. Conclusion: Edge AI represents a major shift in AI deployment, bringing intelligence closer to where data is generated. By enabling real-time, secure, and efficient decision-making, Edge AI is transforming everyday devices into smart, autonomous systems. Its role in smart appliances and daily life devices makes it a critical pillar of next-generation AI infrastructure.